everyone, this is Gigi from 𝗀𝗂𝗽𝗍 Life. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I have a little Louis Vuitton unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys. And this item is a very sought after piece, and it comes in a very, I'm going to give you guys a little hint, a very unusual, I guess, uncommon. There's a little aspect about it that's a little bit uncommon. And I was really excited to hunt this down because first of all, I actually didn't really know it exists in this particular print. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. So I wonder if you guys will have any guesses. So it is, I'll give you guys some hint. It is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton SLGs, and it was actually one of my first, I think. Yeah, actually it was my first SLG from Louis Vuitton, and I personally highly recommend it and really love it. So comment down below if you guys think you might know what it is. You could pause the video and then take a guess what it is. And other than that, please comment down below and let me know what is your favorite Louis Vuitton SLG, because I would be very interested to learn. I'm always curious what people's favorite items are from a particular fashion house, just because I don't know, I'm curious about what people like. So I'm gonna dive right in so we can start seeing what it is. And it comes in this beautiful box, Louis Vuitton box. And I love this type of box that you have a drawer basically, because you could use this to store other items too. I've seen people storing jewelries and other things. So I find this box very handy. I love it. And it comes in this beautiful, this little Louis Vuitton dust bag. Okay, and last minute to guess what it is. Okay, again, comment down below if you think you might know what it is. Okay, to reveal. Alrighty. Ta-da! So this is a Louis Vuitton key clay pouch. It's a clay key pouch, and it's really special because it comes in the graphite print. And I'm sure most of you are familiar with this item, but usually you see it in the monogram print, right? Because that's what monogram or demi-ébène or demi-ressort. So honestly, that's what I was thinking too for myself. And I personally have a demi-ébène in the monogram print. And my monogram print actually got stolen. So I was really trying to look for a replacement. And I was really excited to come across this. I actually didn't know it came in the graphite print, so I thought it was really cool. And check it out. So you can see that it is, let me try to have it focused. So it comes in the silver hardware as opposed to the regular gold hardware, and it comes with this key hold, like you could basically put your keys in here. And this item, I believe, I checked, let's see, I think it's made in France. Can you guys see? Ooh. Oh, it's like not focusing, but I'll tell you guys, it is made in France. And it comes with this textile card, which is nice. Sometimes it doesn't come with it, but today it did, which is cool. And let me talk a little bit about this piece. I personally really love this piece. Why? Because it's super versatile. And I think I mentioned this before. I am someone that really likes items that can give me multiple purposes, because I guess it's like more bang for your buck, right? Because you could use it for different reasons. And this item, you could basically use it as a little wallet. Some people do that. Little wallet, card holder, coin purse, catch-alls. Of course, key holder, because as it originally is intended to do for. And also some people use it as a bag charm, so you could like put things in here and then clip this on your bag, and then it could be a bag charm. It's really cute actually. So this item is such a perfect, I think it's like such a good Louis Vuitton like entry, like one of the first pieces I would recommend getting if you're, a little unsure about wanting to spend money on the bag or anything. I think this will be a perfect gift for someone, or just like a perfect thing for you to add to your collection, because it's just so versatile. So first of all, it comes with this canvas, right? The coated canvas from Louis Vuitton, which we all know it's extremely durable. So you don't have to worry about, if it gets on water or anything. You could literally use this whenever and don't have to really worry about it. So that's really nice. And that's also one of the reasons why I love this, because it's so carefree. I think sometimes I have some leather pieces, but when it comes to these kind of, I don't know, like Louis Vuitton SLG still has a really special place in my heart, even though I love like Chanel or Hermes. But I think Louis Vuitton does really good SLGs because they're usually very durable. And so it's like really, you don't have to worry about bringing it around, or, you know, it's just, I don't know, you don't have to worry about damaging the, you know, the leather or anything. And it usually wears really well. So the funny thing about this is actually my mom had this in the monogram print, and she had one that's like almost 30 years old, and she still uses it. It's great. And she only replaced the zipper once, but it still works. And I think that does speak volume for Louis Vuitton's items. I think at least for, I know now people kind of talk about, you know, they have different opinions about the current quality, but I will say, like, in the long run, for a lot of my mom's item that she had for like over 20-30 years, it's still really good. And I have to say that's quite amazing, because I do have these little SLGs from other fashion houses sometimes, which I won't name, and it really kind of falls apart after using it for maybe like less than a year. So it depends on what it is. Some items are still really good. You don't really have to have a luxury item to be durable, but I will say that at least for this item, I do highly recommend it. And I have seen it kind of go through the test of time. And also Louis Vuitton has really good customer service, so if there's something wrong, you can usually go back, and as long as it's authentic, and you know, they usually will try to help you out if they're able to. So I do really like that about Louis Vuitton. And to go back to this particular item, I think this one is super cool because it comes, and you know, like I said, it comes with the silver hardware, which I don't have, because I was looking for a monogram replacement, but instead I got this one, and I'm really excited about it. So I actually picked up 2 of these once again, and this item that I'm showing you guys will be available for sale, and I'm keeping the other one I have. I'm still probably debating whether or not to add another monogram back into my collection. I probably will eventually, because it's just such a classic piece. I think the price point for this is really good for Louis Vuitton, and it's also very good for a luxury item, a luxury SLG, especially because it's something that you could use in so many ways. Like I mentioned before, there's so many ways you could use this, and I do really love that. And I do notice that I did compare before with my mom's old one, and these new ones are a little thicker, so you can actually put more cards in there. I put a lot of cards. I think I don't know, more than 10 cards for sure for my 𝗵𝗵𝗍𝗻 one. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it actually fits a lot of cards, but it depends on how thick your card is, so don't hold me, you know. I guess I would say, okay, at least, I mean, more than 5 cards for sure. I think I actually stuffed in more than 10, but don't take my word for it. Check it out yourself, because everyone has different thickness cards. Some people have fancier cards that's really thick, then you might not be able to fit that much. But I remember I actually used it as a little wallet, and it was really, really handy for me. And yeah, so I just really wanted to share this with you guys, and to let you guys know that this is actually available for sale. So if you guys are interested in this item, please give me an email at 𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 chic life. And again, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I plan on making more videos going forward. My goal, don't hold me to it, but this is my goal, okay? My goal is to upload videos like once a week or once every other week. So that is my goal. And it could be more, it could be a little less, but that is my goal. I'm going to try to upload more regularly so I can share a lot of goodies with you guys. And I actually have some pre-recorded videos too. I was thinking to release them or not. And I also have some more things that's coming soon. So I would love to share that with you guys. And I would like to share it with you guys, so please do subscribe so you can check those out, and also click that bell button so you get notification when any new videos are uploaded. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please do at 𝗀𝗏𝗡𝗏. If you are interested in seeing a lot of luxury eye candies, a lot of cool things, or kind of I also kind of share a lot of like luxury news. You know, for example, when Chanel was having their price increases, I was closely following that, and I do share that information with everyone. And I just have a lot of interesting content, and I would love to share with you guys. I usually love to travel, so in the future when everything is fine and I can travel again, I can also share, you know, take you guys with me around the world to see things from the world, you know, either from kind of everything, I guess. So my channel is called Cute and Chic Life, so I really will show you guys basically anything that's cute or chic and luxury, because these are just my personal interests, and I would love to take you guys on a journey with me. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. And also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys can stay safe and be healthy. I know there's a lot going on with the world, and especially my friends and family in US. I just, my heart is with you. I just hope everyone can, you know, love each other. Like I said, I think I kind of came up with this, and I do love it. I do think love and kindness, that, you know, never goes out of style. So I just hope that we can all love each other and be kind to another, you know. Just, I think the whole world should be one big family, and I just want, I don't know, I just want peace, and I want everyone to love each other and just be considerate, right? Just put yourself in other people's shoes. Like, how would you want to be treated? Treat others that way. And or even nicer. You know, some people are hard on themselves, so then I don't know if that applies to you, but I will say definitely just be kind to each other. You know, you really can't go wrong to be kind, and I think it always will go back to you. All the positive energy and all the, just, you know, I don't know. I like to be nice to people, and people are generally nice to me, so at least I think it works for the most part. And of course, there are a lot of evil and bad things going on with the world, but I think, you know, sometimes we have to try to step back and try to be positive and just bring something great, you know, good energy to people. I don't know. This is like that's like another topic, but you guys know what I mean. Okay. All right. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and take care. Bye-bye.